Hey guys, what's going on? This is Mitch, and I'm one of the two co-founders of TechSuite. The other one's name is Sam. You'll get to meet him in some of the videos below this one. Anyways, what in the world is TechSuite and why should you care? I mean, you probably shouldn't care unless you have an app idea that needs to be built, and then you should care because TechSuite, we are a full-service app development company based in New York City, the Big Apple, but we do things a little bit differently. And so we don't charge agency fees because we don't have any massive Madison Avenue office space that we got to pay for. We also do not assign our clients random junior level developers. And believe it or not, we actually give you a final product that resembles what you had in mind to the T. And if it doesn't, we'll actually work with you until it does. And so what is the catch, you might say? Well, the catch is we don't just take on any client that will have us. Yes, you got to have a budget. Yes, you got to have an immediate need for building software. Yes, you have to actually be passionate about the project and be willing to help us help you. Yes, you have to have a good plan in place for taking your app to market so that we can actually turn you into a case study. And so, look, if these are like deal breakers for you or something, it's no worries. I won't get offended. You can just proceed with the rest of your day. Don't even mind me. But if you're thinking, so they have this criteria, and I meet the criteria. But what are these guys really about? See, if you're thinking that, then keep watching, and I'll probably answer most of your questions in the rest of this video. So anyway, the reason why we're able to consistently produce killer apps is because of our process. So first, we'll start you out with product strategy. Here, we'll make sure all the details of how your app is going to look, work, and feel are fleshed out so that we don't have any surprises during development. Then we'll go immediately into prototyping. This will literally give you a demo of how your app is going to look, how it's going to work, how it's going to feel without the back-end functionality. And now once we've gotten some feedback on the prototype, we rework that into an updated product strategy and we go straight into full-scale development. By the way, this all happens super fast, probably faster than you can get it built anywhere else because we're the only dev shop in the world that has the level of internal workflow that we do. And if you're interested in how that all works, there's a video from my co-founder below, a couple of videos below that breaks that down. Anyways, while we're developing your app, there are a couple of other things going on at the same time. Number one, there's going to be a dedicated project manager making sure everything is going smoothly and filling in all the gaps. Number two, we're going to be there for you on the support side of things 24/7 via Slack throughout the entire process. Number three, there are going to be bi-weekly sprint calls to keep you in the loop on what's going on and get your feedback. Now, what happens after we're done building? Do we just leave you out to dry? Do we just shake hands and say thank you for your business? No, that would be bad. So first, we're going to actually deploy your app onto the web, onto the Apple App Store, onto the Google Play Store, whatever it is, whatever platform you're building for. Now, once your app is launched, you may want some maintenance on a monthly basis. We'll actually discount that so that you don't have to pay an arm and a leg for it like you'd normally have to with others. And then finally, we will connect you with all the right people to help your app succeed beyond its development, whether that be covering you from a legal standpoint, getting you extra funding, promotional opportunities, I mean, everything in between. And that is pretty much it, guys. I mean, I didn't want to make this video too long. We got some awesome testimonials below. Make sure to watch those if you're interested. But the big call to action is if any of this stuff piqued your interest and you're actually serious about getting this taken care of and you have existing requirements for an app, then go ahead, click the button below. It'll actually allow you to book a call with us. Now, do not book a call if you don't have a budget. Do not book it if you don't have an immediate need. And don't book it if you're just looking to get some information but aren't planning on doing anything with it. It's not that we're discriminating against you. It's that it just won't be the best use of your time. Because most of the information about us is either on the ad you saw that brought you here, in the video that you're watching right now, on our main website, or even in the emails we're going to be sending you. So we're not giving you any sort of pitch during the call. The whole purpose is to get to know you, get to know your business, get to know your idea, and gather enough information to be able to give you an accurate quote. And if you like the quote and feel we're the right fit for building your app, we can get started. Does that sound good? All right, cool. I think that sounds pretty good. I'm excited, guys. I'll speak to you soon.